free music for Facebook and Instagram and any Meta platform. And yeah, let's go straight. So you have to come to this place, which is the Meta Studio, that is business.facebook.com, and you have to log in. So once you're logged in, you go to this section that says All Tools. So click on All Tools. Then there's a lot of confusing things here. All we need is just sound collection. Click on sound collection, and it takes you to a new page, and you see loads of other creators and all that and all that. So you just scroll down to the bottom and you see sound. So something like this is available for YouTube. Now you have to create your content for when you're using the soundtrack. Export your videos with the sound for Facebook and Instagram and any Meta platform. Then, if you want to still use the same content for YouTube, I would advise you go get sound from YouTube to use for the particular video. Sound from YouTube, something like this. YouTube has their own. Then you download and use the sound. It's free to use. No copyright strike. Free to use. I hope this helps you. No more strikes, no more ineligible to monetize on Facebook because of soundtrack. I hope this video helped you. If it did, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.